boy J Cruz from the AUDIOZONE channel, man. We're often, many times, imitated, but rarely duplicated, thanks to the glory of God for His blessing. I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean. They try to do the wide body. This is what they got. Look at this. No edges. Then, no edges. No edges. Cracking. Like I said, often imitated, never duplicated, man. God's been good to us, man. We do, man. You know, we have 1230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. Come and check us out. Get it right the first time. Plus, you know, we offer you the best warranty in the industry. Peace. Guys, it's wide bodies upon wide bodies upon wide bodies upon wide bodies, man. Right now, at this point in time, we have this beautiful car here. This was actually sent out to the body shop because we had to do a molded kit on this. But check this out, y'all. Right now, we just got it back, so I got to get this figured out. Y'all saw this. It's all damaged. Look at it, all fixed. Everything is perfect, completely molded into the vehicle. No issues, no concerns. The lights are fixed. Everything is beautiful. Now I'm gonna get the team on this one so we can start getting this one. We gotta wrap the spoiler on it. We gotta wrap the hood on it. We gotta do some interior accents and stuff on this car. And hopefully get this car delivered to the customer today. So right now at this point in time, this is what it looks like. I keep on walking y'all through the process. Gotta trust the process, man. You gotta trust the process to be able to let us do what we do. But this one should be out very shortly. So I'm gonna get the team working on this, so stay tuned. Crew. So on this one here, we got some touches that we need to add to the car before we deliver it. Got the wide body molding done. Now we got King Tony up in the building. Nope. What is King's touch? No. What's your name, sir? Tell everybody what's your name for the camera, man.
Chulo.
It's Papi Chulo. That's his name, nigga. We got Papi Chulo up in the building. Nah, man. It is Turbo, man. And Turbo gonna go ahead and do something. He's beginning to remove the vents. This young man wants to have a gloss, shiny carbon fiber wrapped onto his hood and his spoiler also. So right now we're in the process of getting these cars disassembled so we can start doing that and get this car signed, sealed, and delivered to this guy, man. I know he can be so excited when he gets his car back because he took it somewhere else and he wasn't happy. Now he came to the Kings, got it done. He could be happy. Another one out there, man. We are grateful for God's blessing, man, for the knowledge and the understanding He given us in what we do to be the best at what we do, man. And thank you guys all for trusting us. But I'm gonna let y'all watch this build go through so you can see how we get it done, man. And keep on praying to God. We need a bigger shop, man. It's too small for us, man. So we're looking for the right location. When you put your prayers out, ask God to open up the door for a new shop, man. But Tony, Turbo, Teen Tut, Papi Chulo is in the process of getting the vent off to get this hood wrapped. On the red car here, man, that's here from out of town, man. Look at this, man. We have the hood wrapped. He wanted a high gloss carbon fiber. Well, there you go, high gloss carbon fiber. And it's not done by Daniel, so it's done right. It's actually done by Turbo TV. As you can see that he's in the process right now, wrapping his rear. Hard, is this hard, T?
Yes. Very
hard. This is harder than what? Look, let's see. If you had to do this to one of your hardest relationships, what would you rather do? You rather do with this? You had a Gemini in your life too, man? You survived those two?
I've never had a Gemini.
Well, God bless you and your soul, bro.
Well, not relationship one.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, let's fix that. He's had them. He just hasn't been in a relationship with them. Bye-bye. But anyway, y'all, he's wrapping up the spoiler here, man. Everybody's hands on deck getting this situated. We'll see how this comes out in a few, man. Stay tuned. So right now we're in the dismembering of this one. We're in the dismembering here of the steering wheel to be able to install this new steering wheel that you can see right here. It could be with the red stitching carbon fiber with the LED display. No, it is no LED display. This is going to be set up for his, so this should be out very shortly. All right, crew. So at this point in time, man, we're getting these cars to get ready to be signed, sealed, delivered. We got the burgundy one, as you can tell. Everything is done. We got the spoilers done. We have the carbon fiber hood done. You can see this here. The mirrors are done. The gas cap is done. We also have the interior steering wheel done. We have all the axles, the carbon fiber inside done. All this is done and ready to be signed, sealed, delivered. So we got the wash guy here to clean this car up, to give it a final touch, to get this car delivered to the customer and have a happy guy behind him. He'll be picking this up today. We'll get your reaction on this one, y'all. This is the young man, Victor, who owns the red car we're about to reveal to him. Right now, he's setting up his GPS. So we're gonna, save the password into that. We're not gonna show y'all all that, but right now he's setting up his GPS so that he can, you're not logging your Samsung account. But long story short, guys, he's got a GPS installed. We've done on this car. Let me go to my list here. We've done the wide body, obviously molded. We did the carbon fiber interior accents install. We did the steering wheel install. We did the wheel spacers. We did the carbon fiber hood. We did the carbon fiber spoiler. We did the Brembo stickers, the neutral lockout installation, GPS tracker. The only thing that happened in this car, they didn't send us the right chin parts for it, so we do owe him that, and I put on his receipt so he knows when it comes in he's covered. But long story short, you know what I'm saying, that's why I write it down, because it's something for his security and for mine. But long story short, we can be real in this car. Let's go see his reaction as he gets his car, man, so stay tuned. At this point in time, we're about to walk outside and show Mr. Victor his vehicle. Let's show him his build. Vic, there's your build. So he wanted a carbon fiber, glossy. You wanted your spoiler wrapped? Look. Glossy. You wanted your trimmings installed? Done. I had the car clean for you too, so you don't have to do nothing but go out and enjoy your car. Nothing else to do. Nothing else to do. Camera, all that's all working. You have also over here, Vic, look. Oh, you got the key, unlock it, Vic. Look at your steering wheel inside. Paddles, inside, your factory steering wheel, all your accents, your carbon fiber here, there. You also have your Brembo stickers added to the front and the back of it, and you have your molded wide body kit. So you're completely installed. My question, Vic, check out the mask. I want to see the smile. We got to see the smile, Vic. We got to see the smile. Man, we did it with COVID, man, but we got to see that smile. But you know what? The smile and the laughter says it all, man. It's been a great project. It's been a great, long project. But she's signed, still delivered, man. And the thing about this car that makes it unique is the color. You see them in all kinds of colors, but that color really is amazing, man. So he got the carbon fiber mirrors and all that done. He can be ready to be rolling and doing his thing. That's about it. What you got to say, Vic?
Man, 100, man.
You're happy now.
Man.
You already washed out, armor on all, so you're good to go, man. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching, man. Thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless y'all. Vic.